What if the ebbs and flows of the crypto market could be predicted like the changing tides? What if the charge of a bull or the swipe of a bear could lead you to a treasure chest of profits? Intrigued? Hello and welcome back to Bitcoin Scramble, your go-to source for everything related to the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, brought to you by B2B InPay. Almost 1 in 3 people who delve into the whirlpool of cryptocurrency are venturing into uncharted waters. They often have no map, lacking experience in investment or trading. Essentially, they're sailing blind. Although technology's advancement has thrown open the gates to this digital treasure trove, having a trusty compass, knowledge of trading basics, can make the journey less daunting and more fruitful.
This line jumps out at me that while the worst looks to be behind us, the bear market journey is not yet complete.
This is certainly a deep crypto bear market, but we don't think it's going to zero.
You've likely heard the trading market recently being painted as a bear market. But what does that imply? And how does a bull market affect us? Well, let's get comfortable with these two terms. A bearish market is a bit like a downhill ski slope. It indicates a slide in prices. Conversely, a bullish market is more like a rocket launch, showing an upward trend with prices soaring. To help you remember, imagine this: a bear swipes its paws downward when it attacks, while a bull thrusts its horns upward. Let's go back to 2018, also known as the crypto crash 2018. It was a year that left indelible marks on every cryptocurrency ledger. Even Bitcoin, the OG of cryptocurrency, wasn't spared, with prices nosediving to a sobering $3,000 by year end. What triggered this avalanche? Many factors, but let's rewind a bit more to late 2017. At this time, Bitcoin's prices were skyrocketing unrestrainedly, topping an astounding $19,700. Market watchers, however, were not popping the champagne. Instead, they anxiously anticipated an impending bubble burst. As the new year chimed in, whispers of governmental intervention destabilized investor confidence, causing Bitcoin's price to dip by 12%. The situation turned grimmer when CoinCheck, Japan's largest cryptocurrency platform, lost over $530 million to hackers. This series of unfortunate events catapulted the crypto market into a bear market, earning 2018 its notorious reputation. Now, you might think it's all doom and gloom in a bear market, right? Savvy and experienced traders find opportunities in the chaos. Here, short selling becomes your best friend. Imagine this: you're borrowing your friend's vintage comic book, which is worth $50 today, and sell it. A week later, its price falls to $25. You buy it back and return the comic to your friend, pocketing a neat $25. That's short selling. So even in a bearish market, one can still make a profit by keeping abreast of market conditions, mitigating risks, and keeping calm throughout the collapsing market. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have the bull market, a time of economic optimism where investors see green and the prices of cryptocurrency climb the metaphorical ladder. This often goes in tangent with an improvement in the economic condition, like steady increase in gross domestic product, declining unemployment, positive private sector performance, and even introduction of newfound technology. All these factors boost investor confidence, which in turn has a positive effect on the prices. Take the year 2021 for example. Though the world was still reeling over the global pandemic, the crypto sphere was buzzing, so much so that Bitcoin hit the $1 trillion mark for the first time ever. What led to this seismic shift? Several catalysts, notably the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies by corporate giants like Starbucks, Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Time magazine. This ushered in a wave of positivity around digital currencies, reinforcing their place in a broader economy. In tandem, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which were pretty much in their infancy, became the poster child of the crypto world in 2021. They experienced a staggering 21,000% surge compared to the previous year, peaking at a breathtaking $17.6 billion. This new channel of wealth creation was embraced by artists and creators, creating a ripple effect of excitement throughout the crypto landscape.
But every receipt being an NFT, every ticket to every sporting event being an NFT, and then having collateral royalty value, every album drop not getting funded by a record label, but getting funded by fans. I mean, you're talking about profound technology shifts.
So, what's our game plan when the markets are basking in the warm sun of a bull phase? It's absolutely fine to do a little victory dance, but remember, staying updated with the market trends is crucial. You know the age-old wisdom, what goes up must come down. Hence, play it smart, ride the wave of rising prices and sell just as they're about to hit the ceiling. Being market savvy and utilizing the available tools for predicting price movements are key to making informed decisions. Take, for instance, the technical analysis tools, the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) and the relative strength index (RSI). These are the unsung heroes of the trading world, helping traders spot trend reversals like a sixth sense. By analyzing past price data, these tools forecast future market movements, enabling the traders to better plan the next move. No matter which animal you're riding, the bear or the bull, there's one thing that you should never forget: risk management. Make this your best friend in the trading journey. Avoid decisions powered by emotions. They're often your worst advisors. And remember the wise old farmer's advice: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the key to surviving in the wild world of crypto, as well as other investment avenues like real estate, stocks, and gold. Take a step back to understand your trading patterns and then define your objectives. Are you in it for a quick win or a long haul? Always keeping these in mind will help cushion the impact of any sudden changes in the market trend. Yes, the world of cryptocurrency is like riding a roller coaster with loops. It's perpetually evolving and often volatile. Yet, amid these uncertainties lies a treasure trove of untapped opportunities. The way to discover them is by equipping ourselves with more knowledge and remaining alert of the market trends. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed and up to date with Bitcoin Scramble, brought to you by B2B InPay.